How you guys doing today? I hope you're doing good. And for today, I'm going to unbox one of my box here. It's in very top because I don't want it to fall. I'm gonna put
No.
you right there. Let's unbox it together. I'm good on that. What is this? I forgot about this. It's always like this. So light. And let's check. This is from Isamaya. Have you heard Isamaya? Okay. I got two. Wow. I got one and two. I don't have one but two.
Wow.
I got one but two. Okay guys, so that's all. I got two. And this is the lip lock. Ooh, exciting. And this is the lip liner. I don't want to open it for now. Maybe just quick. Oh, so this is the color on the top. And here's the color. Oh, look at that. Pink. Oh, I'm excited with this. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at the sharpener. So cute. It's a metal. A little bit weight. Has a weight on it. That's nice. And let's check. This is so cute. Ah, come on. Get out. Maybe the other side. Okay, I have to push it. So this is, looks like, guys, it's like a brown, deep brown. Okay, so let's check. Okay, there you go. That's a color. I have a lipstick, the same color with me. This is good to match on. And this one, oh, wow. You know what? That's a lip liner. It's a pre-product. Oh no, this one is the pre-product. I think I forgot. So this is a lip lock, lip lacquer, like lip lacquer. Let's check. Look at that. It's like metallic, silver. Oh, why this is color like this? I'm gonna read it more. I think this is a lip gloss. Let's see. Maybe it's Chin's color. Oh yeah, it's Chin's color. Oh no, that was my lipstick. I don't know what is this for. Maybe it will turn this color. It's a magic. You heard magic before? Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna review it more in a future video, okay? So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.